Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 FX4 with a 402A package. The exterior color is sterling gray metallic, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter Ecoboost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select-shift transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as a pair of fog lamps, an engine block heater connection, and 2 tow hooks. Over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Pirelli tires. We also have a pair of running boards as well as color-matched door handles and black mirror caps. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows, and up top we have a moonroof. This F-150 also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package, and underneath we have our spare fifth wheel, as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. We have a tri-fold tonneau cover, and inside the box, we have a bulldog protective coating. At the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a power slide window. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with the information trackpad and cruise control settings on the left. And over at the right, we have the entertainment and media controls, as well as our hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have 3 garage door opener controls, and our beautiful moonroof. As we look at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather seating, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. As we look ahead, we'll see we have 116,663 kilometers on this beautiful Ford F-150. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, navigation, and climate control. The driver and passenger can also enjoy air-conditioned and heated seats. Down below, we have our sync controls as well as our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. We have a console gear shift with select shift option for the driver, as well as dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage with 2 more cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seating. At the rear of the center console, we have an AC outlet and 12-volt adapter. And as we look at our seating, our 60/40 arrangement leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.